Okay, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Anne, and I am a longtime Tara fan. I came to Iceland just 6 months ago and decided to come back for the Mindfulness Spa and Retreat. We have done a lot of wonderful, wonderful things. I have learned a lot about myself. I think my favorite part would probably be the float day, which surprises me because you're just kind of floating in water. I've always been a fan of water, which is good because this trip is in spas. It's pretty cool. I learned how to control my breathing. I learned how to get into the Arctic Ocean, much to my amazement and surprise, and I didn't even run. I have loved this trip. The logistics are amazing, no matter what pivots you have to make. Tara and her co-leader Inga are amazing. They make everything work. They make everything fun. Their sense of humor makes it amazing. I would go anywhere in the world on a trip with Tara Short and Green Adventures.